Hi, in this short tutorial, I will walk you through how we can install our WordPress to the subdomain that we have just created, and let's get started. Previously, I was subscribing and I bought a business plan for Lonex.com, and now I will show you the back end to their Cpanel, and then from there we will continue working on how to install WordPress application to our subdomain. And so let's get started. Let's wait and load this Cpanel backend, and I'll be showing you some of their options here. We have the hosted domain, registered domain, SSL certificate, and so on. But in this short tutorial, we will focus in web applications installer. Okay, before that, here's the WordPress application that we would like to install to our subdomain. But here I will just go and look all of the application before we will continue, and these are all the application in their categories. But anyway, this application, if you would like to install something else other than WordPress, you can choose from all of their options. Okay, let's get started on installing WordPress to our subdomain demo.francisbaena.space, and let's install it right now. Okay, these are my previous domain, and let's look for demo.francis.space or francisbaena.space, and let's make sure that our directory will be at the root. So we will delete the subdirectory WordPress, and now this is now the new URL where the WordPress application will be installed. And let's change the admin username to let me see, admin, just like that. And let me have my password. Okay, just to make sure that I memorize the password. Okay, you can either generate a password and save it to your notepad or something else like that. Then there you go, that's my email address, and this is for, let's just say, for WordPress demo, right? And let's just leave the database prefix. Else you can change that one to specify a prefix, but for me, I just leave it like that. Here's another option here, radio button, that will give you another option like select a new database. If you created your own database, create a new database, but I just leave it to the default option, automatic database creation. Let's install WordPress. Let's wait for a few moments after the process is completed, and we can check if WordPress is already working at our subdomain. This will take a few minutes or seconds. It depends on the speed of your internet connection or your processor. Wait, something like this. But this one has been completed. Thanks. And now we can move on. Now we have been granted our credentials from this installation, and so we can just copy all of this and save it to Notepad so that you will not forget. Let's just type out, or here is our Notepad, and let's just paste all the instruction, and I think we can now visit the admin area. This information you're about to submit is now, alright? Send anyway. Alright, this email is correct. this is part of the setup, so you just need to bear with me. And now we are here at our backend at WordPress backend under the subdomain demo.francisbina.space/wp-admin. That's how and where you can access your backend for WordPress installation. Now if we go back here and we can refresh now the subdomain for our front page, and this is what you can see for the theme that has been also created. Let's check at the appearance and look at for the theme, what theme that WordPress has given us. At this demo, it's 2021. You can either adjust here and activate this one, or if you have a premium theme, you can also install by clicking this add new right here, and you can just upload the theme that you wanted, or else you can have other option from free themes with WordPress templates. Alright, so I think that this tutorial is concluded, and thank you for watching.